Hi, this is Greg Jarbo with the Search Engine Strategies channel. I'm with John Marshall of Market Motive. John, today, Web 2.0, you said some things about Google Analytics?
Yeah, it's a bit limited. It's a bit limited.
Are we shocked?
It's an okay tool, but I think it's really important to understand some of the things that it doesn't do. And in a Web 2.0 world, actually, people don't often, there are different meanings of Web 2.0. To me, Web 2.0 means that there are details about your site, there are components of your site, there is stuff that doesn't live on your site. That's, to me, what Web 2.0 means, like RSS feeds or widgets or all those kind of little doodads that we all know and love.
Like YouTube videos.
YouTube videos, classic example. So they relate to your company, they're about your company, they are online, but they don't live on your website. You don't get that data in Google Analytics, nor any other web analytics tool, actually. Let's be fair here and not pick on Google Analytics. So I'm just advocating a certain amount of realism about the volume of data that affects your company that's out there and which is not visible in Google Analytics, and it's growing.
Well, one of the things I think you suggested was competitive analysis.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of competitive analysis, and the analogy I use is we're all used to looking at how much search traffic did we get, right? We all do that. We look at that report, it's up and to the right, we're happy. The problem is that if your share of search for that traffic is not increasing, then you're actually going backwards because, relative to your competitors, you're actually getting less. So you don't know what your share of search is without some form of competitive analysis. And that's why I'm such a big fan of that type of data.
And the vendor of that type of data, where would you find it?
Well, there are some tools out there. There's quite a few. Hitwise is sort of the big, the big gorilla tool. It's quite expensive. There are other places you can get good data. Compete is good, very reasonably priced, I think, for the quality of data that you get. Trellian for keyword or word tracker. Also for keyword type research. All of those things will give you some view into competitive data and keyword type data. And then you've got the sort of more old school tools like ComScore and Nielsen Net Ratings. I'm not such a big fan of them, but they're out there. Any of those would work. Any of those is better than nothing.
Well, there you have it from Search Engine Strategies London. It's day one, and we will have more insights, more
Indeed.
things to measure days from now.
Just what we need, more things to measure.